There.
Huh?
There's a snowball.
Well, you made that. Hey, I want it. You did you one. We're having a snowball fight.
Yes, you've been waiting all day to have a snowball fight.
Man, it's cold.
What?
Are your hands cold?
Yeah.
Don't walk in the mulch.
What mulch?
The white is mulch.
Where you're at right now is the mulch,
That's the
Justin.
mulch. Walk on the steps. Get up here. Get up here on the patio. We can have a snowball fight up here.
That we need.
See the snow right there?
That we need the snow right here.
No, put the snow right here.
Hey, you don't want that. Throw
Get
it,
mommy.
Mom.
Get her. Get mommy. Throw it at her.
No!
That.
Look at this warm air.
Ha ha!
When we get it off the table, you can throw it again.
Don't kill. And warm.
I can feel my hand. I wanted my hand better. I wanted my hand better.
Get your hand better.
Now it's bad. Now it's warm.
Get me. Oh, you missed.
Daddy, you did.
You know how to do it?
Daddy, you did no ball.
Let me show you how to do it.
Let me throw it at you.
Not really, no.
Why? On your shoe?
Sure. Oh, man.
And then?
Yeah. No! Oh.
Me throw them.
Sure. Oh, man.
One broke one. Next time I'll test it.
Throw a few more.
Oh, next time I'm going to kick it.
What the?
Throw a few more and we're going to go in.
No. Let it.
I do.
Tap it all on together.
Okay, step on it.
I mean, what? Yeah. I'm at the Irish Christmas. I'm at the Irish Christmas.
It's our Christmas?
Yeah.
Really?
What did they do in my shoe?
What?
What did in my shoe?
Because your shoes aren't snowshoes?
What did no shoes on?
I know.
What did them on?